Hi, in this lesson, we're going to introduce a way to use a random number generator in your programs. To make our programs a little more interesting, we can use random numbers. For example, one reason we might want to have a random number is to simulate rolling dice or picking a random card. You can also simulate a conversation by using random varying messages. There are a lot of different types of programs that require randomized behavior, but there is a secret. Random numbers from computers are not actually random. They are what we call pseudo-random, which means they look like they are random numbers and they act like they're random numbers, but they are actually coming from an algorithm from a computer. For our purpose, we don't need to know how the random numbers are being generated. All we need to know is that we can use them. To create a random number generator in Lua and Roblox, we can use the math library. A library is a collection of functions that we can use in our code without knowing the specifics of how the function works. These specifics are abstracted away and make it easier for us to use. The math library includes mathematical functions such as absolute value and square root. The function we'll use to generate random numbers is called math.random. The function math.random generates pseudo-random numbers. If you use the function as shown, you'll receive a random number between 0 and 1 each time you run the program. Most times, we don't want a random decimal, so we can also use this function and specify the range of numbers to use. Inside the function, we can specify the lower and upper numbers to use when generating random numbers. This function will choose a random number between 1 and 10 inclusively each time the program is run. There's a lot that we can do by using this randomization. We can simulate rolling a die. Each time this program is run, we will receive a different pseudo-random number. We can use a conditional statement to print different results based on the random numbers. Here we have a random generator choosing a number from 1 to 2, so either 1 or 2. If the random number is 1, then heads is printed. If 2 is generated, then tails is printed. Random generators can be used in Roblox to apply different colors, positions, or material of parts. In this program, a number is randomly chosen from 1 to 4. If 1 is chosen, then the block turns to red. If 2 is chosen, then the block is yellow. The function is called 4 times, so the block could potentially change color 4 times. All right, let's take a look at how we can use this within your programs.